Hello friends and welcome to Anka classes. So Anka classes ke pair of linear equations in two variables. Previous year question number 4 marks ki session number 2. Okay. So today's the 2020 the hangiba mark mari ki question number discuss towers. Okay, so the question is an annual income of 7,200 is derived from sums invested one at 8% and the other at 12% per annum. Okay. Pasha khara, pasha mapum ani, natra amana 8% da, amana 12% da simple interest da invest away. Sigi pasha ani invest away sidagi interest si kara aga chahi kudingi 7,200 rupees phangi. Okay. Now, if the rates of interest is changed to 10% and 14% per annum simple interest respectively, the annual income derived from the investment is 8,600. The rates of interest is changed. 8% piramazina 10% ondhok piraba 12% jina 14% ondhok pibataradi annual income ji 7,200 tagi 8,600 oire a. So find the sum invested. Pesa investor bido kano sama puno kano. Okay, so sige question ji. Solve tawda aikoida simple interest ki concept kra changani. Okay, aduido hana yengiko simple interest hai si karino haina. Simple interest hai di principal into rate into time upon 100 haibani. Sigi kaino yengisi karigumba lupa chani invest tawba. Okay, aduga rate of interest na 10% ne hairase. Yantare ko adu itadi chahi amada 1 years days da magi simple interest si kaya oini. Okay, adu itadi sidijeng. Aini investor riba sina principal oirani natra sina rate oirani sina time oirani. Yantare ko adu itadi simple interest si kya tare principal into rate into time upon 100 nina 200 into 10 into 1 upon 100. Adu itadi lupa kun. Yantare ni ko this is how we calculate simple interest. Okay, so question ji yang si question ji hape clarify tawnaba yang si ko so ahambada mana annual income si derive tawe mean some invest tawda nadra some pasha mapum ani do koina amana stars ne loksal de amana sigi square macha box ne loksal de. Okay, sigi amount si is that man hai si kya invest tawe 8% invest tawa matamda. Okay, so na kan gisna kya 12% invest tawa matamda chahi amada paisa khar kar eba ani sidagi kar iba paisa ani du punjalaga lupa kya ta heba 7,200 phangi. Okay, now similarly mana second condition is da karigumba 8% invest tawramba sina kya ondokraba 10% ondokraba. Okay, aduga 12% jina 14% ondhok ki bataradi phangiba paisa du 8,600 oire e haibane question jina haisi. Yantare ko adu itadi aikoina sidaisda pira iba hamba sigi x ne loksalaji hamba amount sina nare ko aduga ani suba amount sina y ne loksalasi. Okay, adu itadi siju x lani sigi siju y lani. Yare ko now sigi kay orani paisa invest tawusina principal oirani magi rate 8% oire time na 1 oire. Adu itadi sigi ahamba condition jigi simple interest se kya orani principal into rate into time upon 100. Adu itadi kya tara 8x by 100. Yare ko similarly so nakangi principal ji y oirani nadra rate na 12% oirani magi ju chahi amada hotpanina time ji 1 oirani sigi simple interest kya tare principal into rate into time upon 100 adu itadi 12y divided by 100 okay now ahamba condition jina kai hai ani ji punjal laga natra chahi khudingi 7200 derive tawi haibani na 8x by 100 natra plus 12y by 100 ani ji tinjana ga kya tarani 7200 so this is equation 1 yan tare ko now similarly aikoina ani shuba condition ji study torasi okay ani shuba condition ji da principal si lera natra rate 10% ondokre time na chahi am ole adu ita di x ki simple interest kya tarani principal into rate into time upon 100 adu ita di 10x upon 100 yare ko similarly y is na principal oirani 14% sina rate oirani aduga time na 1 oirani adu di y is gi simple interest kya tara principal into rate into time upon 100 so we have 14y upon 100 yan tare ko now sigi condition jide da mabani na derive tawri iba amount si kya ne hai 8600 ni haibani na ani ji ai koi tension bira si so 10x by 100 plus 14y by 100 is equal to 8600 so this will be equation 2 yare ko sigi equation ani ji solve tawraga we will find the value of x and y yan tarani ko okay so let us proceed with the solution natra solution da ham da koina kai ini let rupees x natra and rupees y be the two sums invested okay now x and y kasi ora natra mathang da kai ni x gi so x gi rate of interest yes so rate of interest for the first sum hamba first sum investor usiga no x which is equal to 8% natra adu ita di simple interest hamba gi simple interest thosi ko natra for kano chahi amagi annually pisa derive to unina for the first amount natra hamba amount investor ugi kya tarani adu de when hotpada principal into rate is 8 times 1 upon 100 so we have 8x by 100 yare ko similarly aikoina rate of interest for the second sum ji kya tara rate of interest so 12% natra now simple interest for 1 year natra for the second amount kya tarani adu y into 12% divided by 100 natra PRT by 100 adu ita di 12y by 100 natra so ani jidagi ai koina kai hai total amount derived ani jidagi derived to ba natra derived from these investments natra from these investments investment derived to lupa 7200 natra adu oitadi from question judagi aikoina equation ama sembe are adudi ahamdagi lakpa 8x by 100 plus ani suba amount dagi lakpa 12y by 100 ani si punjaladi kya tarani 7200 yare ko sigi potsi simplify tawraga thambiram sigi so LCM si 100 tarani mathakta 8x plus 12y into 7200. So we have 8x plus 12y is equal to 7200 1 2. Now 4 common log the 3x 2x plus 3y is equal to 7,20,000. Nadra. Adu oitadi 2x plus 3y is equal to 7,20,000 CGC upon 4. Natra. So we have 2x plus 3y is equal to 1,80,000. There you go. So we'll call this equation 1. Mathangda amuk chap manana siga similarly new rate of interest. New rate of interest karigi for the first sum is equal to 10%. Natra. Sige 10% si layram nina ikoy na kay hayar. Simple interest for 1 year for the first amount. Natra. First amount sige no x ni. Adu itadi kya lani x into rate of interest 10 sahi amma divided by 100. So we have 10x by 100. Natra. Mathangda amuk new rate of interest for the second sum. Ani suba sum gi kya no 14%. Natra. Ani suba di y ni na. So principal y into 14 into 1 divided by 100. So we have 14y by 100. Natra. See ani sidagi total amount derived, which is equal to rupees. Ani is the derived to is rupees 8,600. Ano udagi. Natra adu ita di from question. So we have 10x by 100 plus 14y by 100 is equal to 8,600. Now 100. Natra. So 10x plus 14y is equal to 8,600. Natra adu ita di so nakanda 100 multiply already we have 8,60,000. Now so this is the common factors look towards this 2 na common factors look towards the 5x plus 7y is equal to 8,60,000. So we have 5x plus 7y is equal to 8,60,000 upon 2. So we have 5x plus 7y is equal to 4,30,000. So we'll call this equation 2. There you go. Now equation 2 equation 1 was same. Equation 1 2x plus 3y is equal to 18,000. So I easy go happen. 2x plus 3y is equal to 1,80,000. There you go. Now equation 1 sila equation 2 sila uneasy eliminate tꯧꯊꯣꯛꯑꯁꯤ eliminate ꯇꯧꯒꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ equation 1ꯁꯤ 5ꯅ multiply ꯇꯧꯔꯁꯤ multiplying ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯥ equation 1 by 5 okay ꯑꯗꯨ ꯑꯣꯏꯇꯥꯔꯗꯤ 5 2x plus 3y is equal to 5 into 1,80,000 अदो इतादी 10x plus 15y is equal to 90 like that. Okay, so we'll call this equation 3. Similarly, aikoina multiplying equation 1 by 2. Equation 1 by 2. Natra. Sorry, equation 1 by 5, equation 2 by 2. Natra. Adu itadi equation 2 di gaino. 2 into 5x plus 7y is equal to 2 into 4,30,000. So we have 5 into 2, 10 plus 7 into 2, 14 plus is equal to 8,60,000. There we go. So ahamadana 9 lakh sina 8,60,000. Okay. Now sina equation 4 ga 3 ga 4 ga lere adu di equation 3 dagi 4 khaido si subtracting equation 4 from equation 3 natra 3 dagi 4 se khaido si so 10x plus 15y natra sidagi minus 10x plus 14y natra is equal to 1 2 3 4 9 lakh tagi 8 lakh 60,000 khaido pirasi so bracket chang do si 10x plus 15y minus 10x minus 14y natra si ani je khaido na de kya tara akhoi da 40,000 lem okay so demo kai kakna bi 10x ka 10x eliminate to puk yarba natra adu itadi we are left with 15y minus 14y y which is equal to 40,000 y 40,000 tardi aikoina substituting x puthokna ba equation 1 substitute torji y is equal to 40,000 in equation 1 equation 1 substitute to matamda 2x plus 3y is equal to 1,80,000 natra so we have 2x plus 3 into 40,000 is equal to 1,80,000 so 2x plus so 1,20,000 and 1,80,000 natra so we have 2x is equal to 1,80,000 minus 1,20,000 so x 2x is equal to kya tare so there is the ani je khaidukna the 60,000 tarani so x is equal to 60,000 upon 2 which is equal to 30,000 natra adu itadi aikoina ahambada invest toribaduna therefore the required natra first sum is equal to kaino ahamaduna x ne logibna rupees 30,000 similarly the required second sum natra is equal to y which is equal to rupees 40,000 okay so this is how we tackle this question the solution is sangi maram je kai gino hai matam da it is 4 marks so oide natra adui mathakta ꯌꯥꯎꯔꯤꯕ ꯅꯝꯕꯔ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯨ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯆꯥꯎꯕ ꯑꯣꯀꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤꯅꯤ but it's a very simple explanation and solution. Anyways, thank you for joining Anka classes. Mathangi session da amuk another 4 marks amuk nainasi.